Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a couple of Chinese PLA rations. Now these are type 13s. This one would be like the equivalent of a US MRE. This one is more of a supplement type of ration. It could also be used as a standalone meal. So this would be like the equivalent of the US MORE rations or modular operational ration enhancement rations. I believe there's also a smaller one, which is just a little box with a bunch of cereal bars. And yeah, we'll check these out and yeah, we'll try them out. All right, let's have a close look at them. We'll start with the bigger one. All right, as you can already tell, it comes in a plastic bag. Plastic is a little bit thin, a little bit noisy. We have some Chinese writing. I believe that reads combat ration or military ration. This is a type 13. I have tried the green bags, which I believe are type 9. And I believe the newest one is a type 18. If anybody knows their Chinese stuff and you can correct me on that, please do so in the comments. And this is menu number 1. Let's check out the back. And on the back, we have instructions on how to use the flameless ration heaters. And yeah, these contain 2 ration heaters. And here we have a brief description of what's inside. Here are the contents. I believe there's 2 rice mains or entrees. One is a fried rice. The other is some type of soy sauce rice. They both contain pork and vegetables. We also have some kind of pickled vegetable and a drink. Here we have a date code, which I believe is April 1st or April Fool's Day of 2017. So it's relatively fresh. And that's it for this one. Let's check out the smaller one. All right, so the bags, same type of plastic, very noisy. This one feels a little bit thicker. And this one is also a type 13. Like I mentioned, this one's more of a supplement or in between meals. This one is menu number 3. We have some numbers which are very hard to read. Let's check out the back. And on the back, we have brief description. We have 2 compressed cereal bars. We have, I believe it's some type of meat, some type of beef, and some type of pickled vegetable. I believe these are the calories. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's crack these things open. Let's get right into them. All right, so start with the big one. And here's our drink. Here's our pickled vegetable. And here's the flameless ration heater, the main entree. The pouch is already inside. We'll check that out in a minute. And here's the accessory packet, which contains only a spoon and napkin. Here's our measuring bag for the heaters. And here's our second main entree. We'll check that out. And that's it. Now let's check this one out. And here's our compressed cereal bars. All right, so I believe this is some type of beef. And this one, I believe, is pickled turnip, and that's it. All right, there you have all the contents. And as you can already tell, there's not a lot of variety. You just have some cereal bars, a couple of mains, some pickled vegetables, and a drink. And that's all she wrote. One very unique thing about these rations are the heaters. They come in these weird, I don't know, pouches or sleeves, I guess to keep them insulated. And these heaters have a reputation of being some of the best flameless ration heaters out there. They pack a punch, some of the most energetic heaters you can find, and you'll see what I mean. So yeah, let's begin. We'll light up the heaters, get the food warmed up, and then we'll take it from there. All right, let's check out the heaters. Let's see what's in them. We do have a tire notch. Pull out our mains. All right, so here we have the fried rice and it's covered in chemicals. Very nice. Let's check this one out. And I believe this is the fried rice with soy sauce. Both of these contain pork and vegetables. Check out all those chemicals. Very nice. It's a lot of powder, a lot of dust. All right, let's see what else we have. And this is the secret to the Chinese rations. You have 2 heating elements, which is twice the power. So let's put these back in the bag. All right, let's add the water. And we'll use our Japanese canteen that I got from Chris. All right, so the bag is pre-measured. Just add water to the fill line. And just dump it in there. Close it up, rock it a little bit. Get that heating element soaked in that water. All right, feels like it's taking off. Let's lay them flat. All right, so looks like we have a problem. The heaters aren't working that well. It looks like we have some duds. There is a little bit of heat, but there should be a lot of smoke and vapor coming out. But yeah, it's just something that happens. Sometimes you get duds, they're not as efficient. But yeah, we'll move on and check out the other components. All right, let's check out the drink. There you have it, just a fine powder. And we'll use our foreignmre.com mug that we got from Art and Nina. And if you guys need some rations, make sure you check them out. There it is, just a white powder. I believe this is some type of lemon vitamin drink. And we have a really small spoon. Which it does have a crack in it. Very nice. Give this a quick stir. And there you have it. It does look like some type of lemon drink. It does have a very strong vitamin scent to it, like a multivitamin. But yeah, let's try it. Yeah, that's not the best vitamin drink I've had. It's got a really strong vitamin flavor to it. It's a little bit on the bland side, not that sweet. You do get a hint of that lemon, but it's very faint. Overall, that's not the best vitamin drink out there. All right, so now we're getting serious. We broke out the tray. So let's check out some more components. All right, so we have some pickled vegetables, and I believe these are the same. We have some pickled turnips. Let's check them out. See if there's any difference. All right, let's get on our tray. Yeah, that looks really good. Let's check this one out. Yeah, these look a little bit different. Yeah, these are obviously bigger pieces. This is more of a shredded turnip. Yeah, more than likely different flavors, different spices. Let's check this one out. And the red stuff appears to be chili flakes. All right, let's give it a try. Oh wow. Yeah, that is really good. It's got a sweetness to it. Obviously it's pickled, but it's very crunchy and it does have a bit of a spiciness to it, a little bit of a kick. But yeah, I quite enjoyed that. Let's try the other one. This one looks a little bit weird, but we'll still try it. And this one kind of looks like sauerkraut. Check that out. Yeah, on the hatch. Yeah, very similar in flavor. This one's a little bit more sweet. This one is a little bit more pickly, a little bit more vinegary. It still has that kick, that spiciness. Yeah, they're both quite enjoyable, not bad. And I believe this is some type of beef. Let's check it out. Yeah, that looks like a piece of stewed beef or braised beef. And you have some nice chunks of beef. Let's try this one. And there you have the beef, and you can see some fat deposits. It actually looks really good. All right, let's try it. And there we have a nice fatty bit, right? It's actually gelatin. Wow. Wow, that's very interesting. It's a little bit chewy, but not in a bad way. The best way I could describe it is like a moist beef jerky. It's got a bit of a sweetness, a little bit of a bite, a little bit of a kick. But yeah, it's really nice. I really enjoyed it. All right, let's check out the cereal bars. They are compressed and vacuum sealed, and I believe they're both the same. And we'll save one for a rainy day or some type of special occasion. So let's check this one out. Little notch right there. See if we hear a hiss. Yeah, just a small, tiny little hiss. All right. And they're both wrapped in plastic. Might as well get this one opened up as well. And there we have the cereal bar. Let's crack it in half. It's very crumbly. All right. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah, those are really good. Not too sweet, not too bland, just the right amount. And they have a wheat flavor. And yeah, not bad. All right, let's check out the main entrees. All right, this is nice and hot. The heaters did their job, just very slowly. Yeah, whatever works. And I believe this is the fried rice with soy sauce. Let's check it out. And there you have it. And we'll just pour half of it onto our tray. And I am getting the scent of soy sauce, which is very nice. And this one is just a regular fried rice. And you could easily tell just by the color. This one's a little bit lighter. Let's see what we got. Let's break it up a little bit, just so it looks a little bit more appetizing. All right, let's dig in. Let's try this one. All right, there we have the fried rice with soy sauce. Let's give it a try. Definitely has that soy sauce flavor to it. It has a really strong onion flavor, and you can definitely taste some of that pork. But yeah, not bad. Let's try the regular fried rice. And there we have the regular fried rice. There you can see some of the pork, and there you can see some peas or carrots and peas, whichever way you like. All right, down the hatch. Hold on, let's get another bite. The regular fried rice has more of a porky flavor to it. You can definitely taste the carrots and peas, but overall it's quite nice and tasty. All right, let's try with the beef, see how that goes. And there we have the fried rice and pork and beef. All right. Yeah, that is actually much better with the beef. Let's try with the soy sauce fried rice. See how that goes. Get a nice big bite. All right, feast your eyes on that and down the hatch. Yeah, I really can't choose which one I like the most. They both have very unique flavors. They're both really good with the beef. So yeah, I don't really have a favorite. They're both excellent. All right, let's try this, see how it goes. All right, we mixed it all together. Check that out. All right, see what it tastes like. That is really good. Yeah, good flavor to it, nice and meaty. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Chinese PLA Type 13. Both Type 13s, the bigger one and the smaller one, they really complement each other. Yeah, what can I say? Everything was great, excellent quality. The only downside would have to be the drinks. Yeah, it's really lacking. The only drink they provide is not the greatest. And if you really want to nitpick, could have used some condiments, maybe some hot sauce, something to that effect. But on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this ration a solid 8 out of 10. With the smaller package, the smaller Type 13, it really does complete it. It really puts it out there. It really makes it that much better. Definitely the way to go if you're looking to get these. Make sure you get both of them. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Plenty of content coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to help support the channel, please check out the description box. I have a link to my Patreon page. Every bit counts, just $1 a month, makes a lot of difference. And yeah, just want to thank all of you. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching my videos. That alone helps out a lot. And that's because every view counts, every thumbs up, every comment. So yeah, thanks a lot. And thanks a lot to my patrons. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.